Hello you guys, I'm back with another video and we're doing a DIY today. We're making Cardi B pants. You're going to need a knife, a pair of scissors, and 2 pairs of shoes because you'll need the white shoelaces from them. Okay guys, and I will be putting my shoelaces back, so I'm not cutting my shoelaces, don't worry. Cut off each end, you guys, as you guys see me doing. Take them in a little bit on each side when you cut them all, because you won't need that material. That's where the string will be laced. Okay, make sure you cut out the little extra pockets that is under the jean material. You won't need that. And you're going to start poking your holes down the side. Be really careful doing this. I cut my finger, you guys, and had to improvise. You guys see me now trying to keep it from bleeding, but it wouldn't, so I had to improvise, put a band-aid on. I didn't have any band-aids, guys. So now you want to take your shoestrings out your first pair of shoes and lace them just like you're lacing the shoe in the crisscross method. And you're just going to lace them all the way down, and you're going to keep the extra string. So here you see it's done here. And we're going to also cut off the bottom of the shorts to make them a little shorter, and we're going to fragile the edges with a knife. Then you poke your holes again on the other side and do the same thing. Next pair of shoes, lace it up and ruffle the edges. Cut and ruffle the edges. Now you guys see they're done. I actually had to go back and make the shoestrings up a little bit further on each side so it fit a little bit better. They turned out perfect, you guys. Cardi B.